Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my registered number is UR15CS220. Today I am going to write a Java program where user by using the concept called inheritance. I am going to use it in the Java programming language in order to print the salary calculation of an employees in an organization as per the salary and table given below. So here I have what are the things I have to find out is gross salary, net salary, tax, and all the details have to be printed here. So in order to find the gross salary, this is the formula that I have written in this red color, and then in order to find the net salary, I have written this formula, and calculation of the tax. This formula will be useful. So these are all the salaries given salary tables they given as per the manager, engineer, secretary, and the clerk. So for these four people, I have to print the details as according to these values here. So here first I have created a employee package called EMP. So in this package I have created a class employee, and then I have written the variables that are used in this program. So that is our basic DA, HRA, tax, EPF, and then these are all I have to print out. This is net salary, gross, tax value. So I have written the four functions. He asked what they asked me to write. That is net salary, gross salary, tax pay, and display. So by using the concept of overriding, I'm going to use this in this program. So first of all, by using the class concept called inheritance, I have created a class manager which extends the employee class. So now inside that, by overriding these functions, I return overrided these functions, and I return the formula as according to this function. So I directly placed the HP values inside these functions, and then I return these functions from the formula. So here direct DA and tax values are I have given directly. So by giving all these values, class manager class will be ends, and then the public this display function is used to display all the values, gross, net sale, and tax values of the manager class. And then after that, class engineer which extends the employee, and I have written overridden all the uh, functions in the same manner in the four different classes, that is secretary and clerk also. After completing this, I created another class where the main function exists, and then in this function util scanner package is used as an input, used to take the input from the user, and then I have returned the menu driven statements here. So here user will be asked to first enter any number from 1 to get 4 to get the details, and after that int s will be taken, next int value will be taken, and then switch case is used for the menu driven application. And then here user driven application, that is case 1, where manager class will be called, and then created a object for this manager class, and then m dot value will be printed, and then gross salary, net salary, tax pay, display, all these functions will be called by using this object. And then in the same manner, case 2, case 3, and case 4, which is used for the case 2 is for the engineer, and case 3 is for the secretary, and case 4 is for clerk. Once all these completed, if I give any another value other than 1 to 4, that will be taken as the uh, out of scope condition. So it will be printed as you are out of scope. So when we compile this program, as these are all these two in the same package, it will run successfully, and then user will be asked to enter any value from 1 to 4. If I enter 1, first manager values will be printed here. So manager salary is 66,000, net salary is 67,000, and then tax pay is 7,500. So in the same manner, other values also will be printed. So if I go with in order to check if I give any other value out of this 1 to 4. So if I give any 5, if I give 5 value, it is showing that they are out of scope condition. So by using this program, I can find out the salary, net salary, basic salary, gross salary of the employees as per the given table. So Thank you.